Sony is gearing up to make a major impact in the world of compact cinema cameras with its upcoming FX2. Designed with content creators, indie filmmakers, and solo videographers in mind, the FX2 aims to pack professional capabilities into a compact, easy-to-handle body. Although Sony hasn't made an official announcement yet, leaked details and early insights suggest the FX2 is crafted to bridge the gap between consumer mirrorless options and full-on cinema cameras. It's being built with a focus on solving everyday problems creatives face like overheating, short recording limits, and the lack of pro-level features in smaller bodies. Instead of experimenting with untested tech, Sony is expected to use a reliable 33-megapixel full-frame sensor, the same one found in the Alpha 7 IV. While some hope for a new sensor, this one still delivers rich colors, great low-light performance, and excellent dynamic range. But the big upgrades come from what's happening inside the camera. One of the standout improvements is an integrated active cooling system. This is expected to enable long-form 4000 recording at 60 frames per second without the usual heat issues, even in Super 35mm mode. That's a big deal for documentary filmmakers, vloggers, and anyone working in warm environments where cameras usually overheat. Another key highlight is the FX2's processing power. Equipped with Sony's powerful Bions XR processor and enhanced AI autofocus, the camera will be able to track moving subjects with impressive accuracy. Whether filming wildlife or action sports, this system allows solo shooters to capture sharp footage with minimal fuss. There is a trade-off, however. The 4060 FPS mode requires a Super 35mm crop, leading to a 1.5x crop factor. That means a 24mm lens will behave like a 36mm, which could be limiting for wide-angle needs. Still, there's speculation that Sony might unlock full-frame for 1060p recording through a future firmware update, though nothing is confirmed yet. In terms of design, the FX2 may be slightly larger than the FX3 to make room for the cooling system and possibly a tilting electronic viewfinder EV. If included, this would improve visibility in bright settings and offer more creative control, especially outdoors. Another notable feature is the return of the mechanical shutter. While many camera makers are going all in on electronic shutters, Sony is keeping this option to reduce rolling shutter effects, especially helpful when capturing quick-moving subjects. This makes the FX2 ideal for professionals needing a solid hybrid tool for both video and still photography. Expected to launch at just under $40, the FX2 will compete with heavyweights like the Canon Rific, Panasonic's Vivix, and Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 6 Pro. Rather than chasing ultra-high resolutions like 8000, Sony's approach seems to focus on stable, high-quality 4000, smart usability features, and reliable performance under pressure. Alongside the FX2, Sony is also rumored to be preparing the Alpha 7 Volts or a 75, set to release in mid-2025. This next-generation mirrorless camera is expected to replace the A7 IV, featuring a new 42MP stack sensor, full-frame 4120 fps with no crop, 10-bit 4:2 color, and possibly even oversampled 8000 video, all within the familiar Alpha series. Other rumored enhancements for the A75 include a sharper 6 million dot viewfinder, a versatile 4-axis articulating screen, a tougher and more lightweight body, and better weather resistance. With an expected price between $2,799 and $2,999, it's aimed squarely at high-end hybrid shooters looking for both strong photo and video performance. In summary, Sony's 2025 camera lineup shows a clear understanding of today's creators. The FX2 appears tailored for long-form, high-stakes video work in challenging environments, while the A75 offers a top-tier hybrid experience for photographers and filmmakers alike. Both cameras reflect Sony's commitment to blending portability, performance, and practicality without sacrificing professional quality. If you're thinking about upgrading your gear, both of these upcoming models are worth keeping an eye on.